What if I told you the most powerful way to make a narcissist fear you isn't by fighting back, getting even, or playing mind games? It's by stepping into a light so powerful they cannot even stand to look at you. Narcissists are emotional vampires. They survive by keeping you in the dark, afraid, confused, and forcing you to serve them. Your entire life revolves around them. But when you start worshipping God instead of them, something incredible happens. Their control crumbles. My toxic relationships would have destroyed me totally if it weren't for worship and prayer. When you devote yourself to God, you make it clear to the narcissist that you recognize and are connected to a power far greater than them. This realization deeply unsettles them, as it directly challenges their inflated sense of self-importance and their illusion of being all-powerful. Through your actions, you show them that there is something far more worthy, more significant, and entirely beyond their control. Narcissists thrive on being idolized, whether in relationships, at work, or within families. They demand absolute loyalty and admiration. When they see you giving God more importance than them, they feel threatened. They can no longer convince themselves that they own you, because if they did, your life would revolve entirely around them. Your worship and devotion sends a clear message that they are not the most important thing in your life. This terrifies them because it signals the one thing they cannot handle: losing control over you. Imagine being married to a narcissist who demands constant attention and obedience. They expect you to cater to their every need, making them the center of your world. But then you start praying more, reading scripture, and strengthening your connection with God. Suddenly they realize they can't ask you to give that up without exposing themselves. They are powerless to interfere with your spiritual practices, as any attempt to do so would only cast them in a negative light. Yet deep down, they're unsettled because you are no longer catering to them 24/7. Thus, worshipping God devotedly has profound benefits, and instilling fear in the wicked heart of the narcissists is just one of them. Prayers of protection create a force shield of protection around you. You become much more courageous and intuitive. Your intuition sharpens to the point where you can anticipate the narcissist's moves long before they make them. You start thinking 10 steps ahead, making it far easier to leave the toxic relationship. True freedom comes from placing your trust in God, not in narcissist's approval. And when they see that they no longer control you, they begin to fear you. Thank you so much for being here. If you are learning something and want to support more content like this, please hit subscribe. It helps more than you know. I've also written a book for people dealing with mind games and manipulation. It's called Psychological Warfare, the Ultimate Guide to Outsmarting Manipulators, your crash course in fighting dirty and winning clean. This isn't just about understanding narcissists. It's about outsmarting, outmaneuvering, and outlasting them when it matters most. Don't just take my word for it. You can read the first chapter for free. Most people freeze when they are trapped. Therapists can guide you, but they can't be your sword. You have to sharpen your own mind, and you can. If you're ready to stop surviving and start winning, grab your copy today. The link is in my bio and in description of this video. Sharpen your mind on your life. Catch you in the next video.